Hey guys, I'm Nick Engels. I'm president at Crevalle Boats. I want to talk to you today about our mooring cover option. This is a great choice for preserving your investment. We spent a lot of time with these covers. It's made out of a material called SureLast 70, and they're custom made for our boats, and I'm going to show you how to install one. We're going to start with this cover. Just toss it up on the bow. It's got a big V-shaped pocket. You hook that over the nose, bring it back. We're going to Velcro it to the perimeter ring on the hardtop. Snap the back corners around the rub rail and ratchet it down tight. It's that simple. So the last step, once you've zipped it together and popped it over the rub rail, begin to tighten your stainless steel ratchets on each side evenly. So you want to pull these pretty tight, and we'll do both sides about the same amount. And as you can see, when we're done, we have a nice perfect turtleback shell over the boat. And it can breathe through that upper 4 inches between the perimeter ring and the top of the hardtop. Great for the summertime when you've got those muggy conditions. This cover can actually breathe and release that vapor.